going to talk to you about your periods, and in this session we will talk about menstrual cups. Now, what is a menstrual cup? It is one of the safest ways to secure you during menstruation. It's a little cup made of silicone material which is biocompatible with your body. Now, this is something relatively newly encouraged nowadays because of our concern with the environment. It is completely eco-friendly because it does not need to be disposed every time. It is reusable and you don't need to use pads or tampons. The cup, although it looks very small, can hold more blood than other methods, which is why it is gaining popularity as a way of being eco-friendly, safe and clean during your period. Conclusion. Although using the cup sounds a little complicated, it's not as difficult. It's a relatively new method which is eco-friendly. It's something which can be reused, but in between the two periods, you can sterilize the cup by cleaning it with boiling water, keep it in a dry place in between your periods, and there is an option of disposable menstrual cup which can be used monthly. So girls, this is another option which you can use during your period to collect the menstrual blood, be clean and comfortable.